Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So ama matches alandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against iSikhukhune United, bayodlala against iMagesi FC, bayodlala against amaZulu, kuba iMarumo Gallants mase kuba amaSandawana. So menibonile ke Orlando Pirates namhlanje bafethu ipostile abajida ba serious ngempela babuyile ejimini. Simbonile bafethu nomdlalo omusha weOrlando Pirates okubani okuDiyong. Niyambona ke uphysical kanjani umjida uqinile, niyambona nje ithende lapha nehluzi iqine ngempela yabo yakukhombisa ngempela ukuthi umdlalo wangempela lo one experience ozo add something ku squad to Orlando Pirates buka nendlela libambe ngakhona ibhola but ke asikho la sizokhuluma lama games Orlando Pirates iyowadlala yabo njoba nje iyodlala lama games lawo ngokubona kwakho wena ezumlandeli ama matches akanje a crucial ingabe Orlando Pirates izothola ama points amangaki yabo kule midlalo le yabo judging by i game esoyidlala against iSikhukhune asikaze saba i team isinikeza ukuthula yabo iSikhukhune hlezi sizosinikeza inkinga njalo mesodlala neSikhukhune sidlala away ke right now okuwest njengoba nje sidlala away let's hope ngeke basinikeze lesa stadium lesa iOld Peter Mokaba Stadium because iOld Peter Mokaba Stadium incane njengoba incane nje bawosilimazela abadlali yabo bawosilimazela abadlali I just saw I transfer window yabo balande abadlali abayiquality kakhulu yabo I saw uMojela umjida bamlandile lapha from iStelis I saw uPhiri yabo umunye wabadlali bamlandile so bona banawo abadlali abawusinikeza inkinga so le game le against iSikhukhune United away bekuyi game yokuqala for iOrlando Pirates bebuyile ingaba tricky le game le because remember most of Orlando Pirates players they were there in AFCON bebedlala le ku AFCON kodwa ke most yabo abadlali bePirates abadlalanga kakhulu so that's a massive boost for Orlando Pirates because in terms of injury so le game izoba tricky kakhulu so iSikhukhune yona ihlale nje isikhathi esiningi ingadlali yabo ihlale isikhathi esiningi nayo ingadlali so nabo abayike esimeni esikahle so let's hope le game le Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuthi uthole u3 points izobidlala away yabo another match esoyidlala ngomhla 31 sobedlala against iMagesi remember kwamele idlale neMamelodi Sundowns but ke leyo game yahlehliswa isiyodlala ngomhla February 18 so njengoba sodlala neMagesi nje sodlala nayo home so le game eMagesi angifuna ukuyithatha yabo ngingi le game angifuna ukuyithatha ngizele ngobuso I know Orlando Pirates izoyiwina le game izoyithathela u3 points kodwa ke kumele sikhiphe in mind ukuthi vele sidlala home uzobe kuyisikhathi esisokuqala sidlala home ever since Bafana yabo yathatha abadlali bethu so kumele senze show as ama fans ukuthi siyafika lapha ngobuningi siyosupporta iqembu iOrlando Pirates following match uzobe kwaMaZulu versus Orlando Pirates amaZulu azobedlala home another team yabo eyaye inikeze Orlando Pirates inkinga kodwa ke in terms of 3 points bahlezi bezodeliver because Orlando Pirates ihlezi izothatha u3 points Orlando Pirates izobedlala away yabo and I get the privilege ukuthi ngizobe ngiyibona ke le match le ngoba ngihlala vele khona la eKZN ngizoya kuyibuka nje le match le ngibone abadlali abasha Orlando Pirates esilethele bona okubani okuDiyong nje ka mase ukuthi ngomhla ka15 after iValentine ngebirthday yeex yami kuyobedlala khona iMarumo Gallants versus Orlando Pirates yobedlala home ingangiphoxi nje kumele bathathe u3 points la bangadliwa ngebirthday yeex yami siyoxabana nje ibhadi mase kuse ngomhla mhla 18 yabona ke le game le yangomhla 18 iyobe serious kakhulu igame yangomhla 18 I don't think abantu abaningi ba realize how serious this game will be I don't think abantu abaningi ba realize ukuthi le game le uMamelodi Sundowns versus iOrlando Pirates iyobe ibigger than iSoweto Derby mhlawumbe abantu abaningi ngeke bayizwe kahle leyo ndaba engiyishoyo yabo mhlambe hayibo niya realize how big this game will be niya realize they just signed Monapule Saling everyone will want to see ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani you remember the game Orlando Pirates eyayidlala against iMamelodi Sundowns when iMamelodi Sundowns yasigna uLodge I remember that game very well kwakudlalwa le Loftus kwakudlala ubusuku yabo it was a Tuesday if I'm not mistaken yabo kwakubuya kuAFCON I remember like it was yesterday uMiguel team wathola ired card kuleyo game kwaku 1-1 kwakora bani kwakora uAlende benozwane yabo kwakora uAlende benoxoki yabo Alende kora i-free kick omunye wakorani penalty I remember that game like it was yesterday yayishubile yayimnandi le game yangomhla mhla 18 February izobe ishubile izobe kanjalo Orlando Pirates izobedlala home leyo game le kuzobe kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga yabo wena ungangitshela ukuthi Orlando Pirates kulama games awu5 alandelayo how many points do you think Orlando Pirates izobuya nawo kulama games lawo